Hello, hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Kanye and this is Gadget on a Budget. I'm back again with goodies from Mr. Price. We've got an LCD doodling pad. We've got a reveal your fate magic box. Like, there's nothing hectic to go through. It should be an easy one. I'm just gonna open them and show you what they are and how they work. Before we even start, do not forget to like the video and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much if you've already done so. Open them. Okay, here's the bow. Okay, I got this bow for $69.99. okay, from Mr. Price. I only found it in Clearwater because a lot of Mr. Prices didn't have it because it's fairly new, but I'm thinking the other stores will start having it as time goes. So what's on the box is written possible answers. Okay, ask the magic ball a question and then turn it over to reveal your answer. Possible answers: yes indicates yes, chances aren't good, cannot foretell her now, prospect good, the stars say no, very likely no, focus and ask again, you can count on it. Okay, so this is like a game thing. Ask a question, consult me later, you ask a question, and so on and so forth. I'll show you what's on here. You ask whatever question and then you check at the very back here. It will give you an answer. Here right now it says unlikely. Okay, and then you ask again. You ask another question again, ball, whatever. It will give you an answer here, and so on and so forth. Obviously giving you the possible answers that are shown here. Obviously you're not gonna get anything else other than this. So we move on to the Doodle Pad. Here's the Doodle Pad. I got it for $199, 200 rands. What's on it? Get your doodle on. 8.5-inch LCD writing tablet, LCD sketch pad. So we get an idea of what it is. No more paper. So this is, I don't know, to take notes. Drawing, practice, calculus, environmental friendly, no paper, no chalk. Okay, and then over here it shows you what buttons do what on the pad, on the Doodle Pad. I'm just going to show you. See, basically this is to write here like the little notes. Okay, it has the delete button here to erase everything you've written here. Let's just see. Okay, and then you delete it, it goes back to being blank. There's a lock and unlock button here. There's a lock and unlock button here. If you lock it, like it's locked now, you lock it and then you doodle, you write whatever and thing you're writing, and you delete. It's not gonna delete because it is locked here. So we have to unlock, boom, and then you can delete. Fascinating, isn't it? Okay, so here it is. It comes with its own pen. Here it is. It comes with its own pen. I don't know if this is something I would buy. Let me know. Gadget on a budget. Okay, so let me know what you think on the comment section down below. Here are the two newest gadgets from Mr. Price. Let me know what you think about them. Would you buy this to just play for 70 rands? Would you buy this for 200 rands to write your notes? Alright, thank you so much for watching the two latest gadgets from Mr. Price. Let me know what you think about them on the comment section down below. If you're interested, I'm gonna try and leave the links in the description box down below, and if you want them, you can just go and check them out. The nice thing again about buying stuff from a reputable store is that you can buy it, have a look at it, try it out, not mess it up obviously, and you can always take it back. So if you like these gadgets, I suggest you go and grab them from Mr. Price before they sold out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next one.